Good afternoon. This is Greg Ehlers, host of Einstein's Disease. I'd like to welcome you to our fourth show where we are getting wonderful reviews with over 1 million viewers on a regular weekly basis. Einstein's Disease is a show where we delve into the challenges that are apparent to business owners where their consumer or their addressable market tend to find themselves of the mindset they know everything, when in fact they don't. And we discuss the problems and the solutions that different business owners have. In today's edition, we have the CEO, Jonathan Duquette of GoNano. GoNano is a revolutionary product in the roofing industry. Jonathan, welcome to the show today.
Hi, Craig. Thank you very much for having me today. It's a pleasure meeting you.
It's great to see you too, Jonathan. We are going to kind of walk into this today from the homeowner's dilemma, Jonathan. Really one of our target markets is Texas. Texas is a big market for GoNano, and Texas has been having a lot of challenges, Jonathan, due to the changes in climate. And maybe you can spend a couple of minutes discussing the homeowner's dilemma and how that homeowner's dilemma has become something of an opportunity for GoNano.
Yes, Craig. Thank you very much for that. There's the dilemma is just increasing throughout the country, but especially in Texas. One of the reasons why Texas is such a big dilemma right now is that most people thought that insurance will cover their roof for the rest of their life, right? And what we are seeing as of now is that there's a big switch in the industry, and more people are not getting covered for their roof, and they're getting slapped with big increase in their premium, and when it comes for whatever that might throw at their roof, they might not be covered. And that's one of the worst thing for homeowner, because the roof is what protects their house, the everything that's really dear to them. And it's really scary right now what's going on. And most people are not aware that there's new solution like GoNano on the market.
Got it. So if we talk about this dilemma, what is it that, or the educational process, is it the fact that the homeowner traditionally has gone through one methodology? They have a hailstorm, they call their insurance agent up and they say, my roof's been damaged. The insurance company comes out, they do an assessment, they either repair it or put a new roof on it. But something's changed from the standpoint of, was their insurance reduced in terms of the coverage, or was the coverage cost up so much that the homeowner has had to drop it? It's a combination of both. And it sounds to me, when we see this or hear about it, Jonathan, in some cases it's been a shock to the homeowner. Is that right?
Yes, you're totally right. It's been really difficult on people, right? A lot of people weren't aware that their policy changed, because now in the policy they might put other things around where they can't really claim anything, right? Or the costs will be so high that it's almost the cost of replacing the full roof by themselves. So that's where most people are, and that's why I'm really excited to talk about that today, so that more homeowner knows about their policies and really look and dive down, because right now most people don't have any coverage in Texas, and the next hailstorm or next like hurricane could change everything from that for them, where they will have to put maybe on their mortgage the roof or increase their payment when there's better solution. Most people don't think about their roof only until it starts failing, right? Most people won't look at that. They assume that replacement is the only solution, but it's not true. Again, most insurance company will deny damage, and a full roof replacement can go from $15,000 to $20,000, $30,000 for a full roof replacement. And even if the insurance cover part of it, they might have a $9,000, $10,000, $12,000 deductible on the roof.
Wow, that's a big cost for a lot of people, especially when we think about all the other costs that have gone up, be it property taxes, inflation, mortgage rates, et cetera. one question on the insurance side for our listeners. So I've had a home in Texas, and I had an event, and I called my insurance company 5 years ago, and there was a hailstorm, and they covered it. And then I have another event. Do they just keep replacing my roof? Was that the normal process for 20, 30, 40 years, Jonathan? Is it, and now it's because of the population and because of the amount of incidents that the insurance companies are changing? Is that what's happened?
Exactly, Greg. That's exactly right. Basically, with the amount of event that it's been increasing over time, right? There's another reason a little bit because of the quality of the shingle that are being applied as well on roof in Texas. But the main thing is that insurance company, and we're seeing it throughout the US, right? In California, a lot of insurance company are just backing out. Same thing in Florida. And it's the same right now in Texas, right? Because it's too much for them, and or if the states allowed, it's going to be just, hey, there's going to be two different policy, one policy for your house, one policy for your roof, but they're going to make it prorated. There's going to be so many ways that basically roof replacement through insurance will soon be something of the past. The roof will be all in the hands of the homeowners, and that's where having a solution like GoNano become really important, because for $2,000 to $3,000, you can treat your roof, keep it up to date, and extend its life length for up to 15 to 40 years even, with multiple treatment.
Got it. So what we're going to work into a couple of solutions going forward. The dilemma that we're discussing with Jonathan Duquette, the CEO of GoNano, is the challenges for homeowners with respect to their insurance either not covering or having a very high deductible or insurance cost for a new roof, that there's another solution out there. And Jonathan, the CEO of GoNano, has that solution. We're going to take a quick break and let our sponsors share with you their great products, and we'll be back with Jonathan to talk about helping the homeowners adapt to GoNano and maybe finding a way not to see a $20,000 bill for a new roof. So we'll be back with you shortly, Jonathan. Thank you, and we'll catch you on the other side.
Thank you.